Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by powering on your Xbox and signing into your profile. You need the console updated so it recognizes third-party USB audio devices. Next, charge and power on the Logitech G535 headset so pairing completes without interruption. Make sure you have the wireless USB-C dongle handy or an adapter that supports Xbox wireless audio. This is the connection method used. Once done, plug the dongle into a rear USB port and wait for the console to detect new audio hardware. With the dongle plugged in, press and hold the G535 power/pair button until its LED flashes to enter pairing mode. The dongle and headset negotiate the wireless link automatically. On the Xbox, follow the on-screen prompt to set the headset as the active audio device, and then open Settings, General Volume, and Audio Output to fine-tune chat mix and volume. Make sure to test in a party or game lobby. This confirms microphone transmission and lets you balance game versus chat audio for comfort. Finish by running live tests. Join a party or record a voice clip to verify mic and audio playback and adjust headphone and chat volumes as needed. If you encounter issues, first replug the USB dongle into a different port and power cycle the headset and console. Repairing often clears handshake problems. If problems persist, use Logitech G Hub on a PC to check headset firmware. Updating can fix compatibility quirks, then repeat pairing. This sequence resolves most connectivity and audio configuration errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.